Well, howdy. I didn't hear you come in. Today we're going to be going through the step-by-step process on how to properly change a light bulb. Haha. First things first, we need to talk about safety.
In every situation, ensure you have the proper eye, hearing, and head protection.
Time to talk tools. We won't really need tools for this one, more or less just supplies.
In our demonstration setup, the light bulb is just out of comfortable reach for an above average size human being. So we'll be requiring a stepladder. And where would we be without a brand new light bulb? Wait, what the heck is this? No, okay. And if you're cool, you'll make sure you got an LED light bulb. Some bulb changes may require additional lighting, so try out a flashlight.
Once our step stool's properly in place, we'll want to make sure the power's off to our light. Now that bulb's ready to be changed. Now it's time to actually remove the bulb. Make sure you get a firm grip and twist in a counterclockwise rotation. Ah! It's hot! Now that the old bulb's removed, it's time to put in the new bulb. Same thing, grip it firmly, just put it in the socket and twist clockwise. Make sure you don't take your hand off of it until it's in, so it doesn't fall on you and stuff, because that'd suck. And then check in and make sure it works. There we go. That's how you properly change a light bulb.